I'm Eddie McDade, CEO and co-founder of Galenband, a unique heart rhythm monitoring platform which addresses an unmet clinical need around diagnosing dangerous heart arrhythmias through long-term monitoring. Galenband is designed to solve the problem of long-term cardiac monitoring by providing doctors with a convenient, wearable diagnostic that far surpasses the limits of today's adhesive-based solutions such as Holter monitors and patches, which are ineffective at detecting intermittent heart rhythm problems. Galenband has secured grant funding of €6.9 million, which will non-dilutively match funds invested by our Spark investors in this campaign. Atrial fibrillation, or AFib, is the most common heart rhythm abnormality. It burdens people with a 5 times greater risk of stroke, and in patients who have a stroke, 26% of them experience stroke recurrence due to undiagnosed AFib. The short-term nature of today's adhesive monitors means that up to 80% of stroke patients receive inadequate monitoring to identify AFib and prevent stroke recurrence. There are 2 key challenges for stroke patients. Current adhesive devices are limited to short-term monitoring periods of up to 14 days, and detection rates are very low. For halters, just 1%, and patches, only 12%. Surgically implanted monitors are the only current comprehensive detection solution, but cost up to $30,000, and on average, patients wait 51 days to get them fitted in outpatient clinics.
Galenband is an upper arm wearable and a game changer for both challenges. Our device is worn on the upper left arm and collects ECG data passively for up to 3 months, enabling reliable detection of intermittent heart rhythm problems. Galenband has no requirement for wires, adhesives, charging, or phone syncing. We have completed a successful clinical study at Beacon Hospital in Dublin which compared Galenband with a gold standard ECG system to validate our AFib diagnostic performance. Cardiologists at Harvard Medical School have evaluated our data as being of diagnostic quality for AFib and other arrhythmias. Solving the problem of long-term cardiac monitoring is important to me personally. I spent 13 years trying to get diagnosed, which eventually required surgery, but with Galenband, this timeline would have been reduced to 3 months with no need for surgery. A device which bridges the gap between adhesive-based solutions and implantables is a huge breakthrough for doctors treating and monitoring high volumes of post-stroke patients. We have completed an FDA pre-submission meeting clarifying Galenband's pathway to clearance in the US. Galenband will bill insurers in the US, and an independent review by insurance analysts has confirmed that we can do so by leveraging established payment pathways.
Galenband is the first arrhythmia monitoring device that has the same comfort and convenience of a wearable, and yet, remarkably, delivers hospital-quality data for physicians to interpret. As a cardiologist, my goal is to prevent heart disease and stroke while allowing patients to lead active, healthy lives. I've had a chance to review preliminary data that Galenband has captured, and I've been confident that this team can deliver a revolutionary breakthrough medical device.
Stroke affects 15 million people annually, with 30% linked to undetected AFib, leading to 5 million deaths and 5 million people being left dependent. Stroke is responsible for 2.6% of all healthcare spending globally. AFib is reaching epidemic status. 4.5% of the US population are currently diagnosed, and many more who have undiagnosed AFib are unknowingly living with higher risk of stroke. The arrhythmia monitoring market is worth €7.4 billion. Our initial target market within that is intermittent arrhythmia monitoring, a €3.4 billion market opportunity, of which $1 billion relates to our beachhead market of post-stroke AFib monitoring in high-volume clinics in the US. Our target raise for the round is €2.5 million. Galenband has €6.9 million of non-dilutive grant funding and an achievable pathway to revenues of €45 million in the intermittent arrhythmia monitoring market by 2030. Our team has deep experience in the medtech and digital platform arenas. We're supported by an advisory board with multiple prior exits and strong academic, clinical, and commercial track records from organizations such as Harvard, MIT, Stanford, and Abbott Medical. I have previously co-founded and led 2 high-growth digital platform businesses and have extensive experience in scaling startups, exiting, and mergers and acquisitions. Galenband is a game changer because it can be worn for 90 days with minimal impact on a patient's day-to-day activities, which far exceeds the 14-day duration of today's cumbersome adhesive-based solutions. Clinical trials using Galenband's upper arm wearable device show it is delivering diagnostic quality ECG data which compares excellently to gold standard hospital ECG. We are an Enterprise Ireland HPSU client, and Enterprise Ireland are participating in the round. As an EIIS qualifying company, our Spark investors can avail of 50% tax rebates, meaning a €10,000 investment costs the investor a net amount of €5,000. This is an exclusive opportunity for Spark investors to invest in a startup which places Ireland at the vanguard of intermittent arrhythmia monitoring. Our breakthrough diagnostic has been validated with exciting clinical trial results, and we address an urgent, unmet clinical need affecting more than 40 million people globally. Thank you for your support.